What you're about to see today is how to log into TCI, your textbook, at home or in the library. To begin, all you need to do is go to learntci.com. Once prompted, you will find that you are asked for a teacher email, of which you can type justin.kelly@moundsviewschools.org. Then you're prompted for a username. This is what your teacher will give you. I'm going to use a default one of Chippewa1, and then the password, of which you will be given in class as well. Then click sign in and redo it because I had it wrong. This will bring you to the main page for our book. Here in the table of contents are the chapters, all listed. And to expand the list, all you need to do is click on it. Here you'll see each section along with an activity that corresponds to your interactive notebook. Occasionally we will use this as an alternative if you're absent or something like that, and you can submit it to me this way. If you go back a page, you'll find that you can also bookmark things that you may be looking at. If there's an assignment, I can put it on here as well. Here at the very bottom is where you'll find the mapping labs. Also, on this link to the left, you'll find a link to maps. Here, if you are ever missing a mapping lab, you can come here and find all the maps of the entire world, all 5 different ones of each region that we will talk about. Then you can click back to home and go back to the main page. This is where you may use your glossary. If you come across a word that's bolded, remember, not all terms that we will be talking about are geoterms, but words that you may not know, and they'll be bolded in the text. When you actually get into the book itself, you can click on any one of these to read, and it will pop up. The nice feature is that you can play and it will read to you. So if you are struggling with some of the words or how to pronounce them, it'll read to you. I acknowledge that it's kind of a robotic voice, but nonetheless you get the idea. You can also click main ideas, in which this is helpful for studying. If you want to just go back and reread a section and what's important, just look at the blue text. Then if you are a Spanish speaker, you may also click Spanish. You may also add a note for your own reference. However, if you're using a shared ID, this will go and everyone will be able to see this that logs in as this ID. Go back to the chapter home, click here. Here's an example of one of the assignments. You can do your geoterms right here. So just type it in, edit your answer, and you're good to go. Occasionally you'll also have maps that are accessible. Here you can see that even on here you can do all of your writing, drawing, and everything right on this map through a use of tools and saving your answer. When you're all done, you can go back to the home page, or at any time click sign out. That's all you need to know. Have a good one.